Leap out detail literally just aside from other listen to me. Okay, I am in love with you. I love you every second of the day, and I will never loved anyone like I love you. You are on my mind every moment. I never loved anyone as I love you. You are someone special to me. Please be with me. Every my feelings for you only grow more each day. My love for you will never stop, and my determination to make you happy is stronger than every. You make me feel like I am the luckiest man on earth to have someone so wonderful like you. I admire every part of you and would do anything to never lose you. I love you. You are everything to me and I love you. I know I cannot give you the world, but I can give you my heart, my love, and my affection. I promise to stay true to you, and I love you and hold you to for as long as you let me thought I cannot give you the world. I do everything I can to make you as happy as you can be my side. I feel like I am the king of the world right now because I found my love. I hope you know that you are my everything. Your happiness is my happiness, and all I want is to see you smile every day. I there everything, anything you need. I am here for you. No questions asked. Kindly contact me on my private Telegram link below. I like the way reminding me that you love me when you are really happy. We seem to be with attuned with each other as hard we mind from each other. When I am with you, my love is skyrocketing. When I kiss you, love with all drive a little bit higher when we talk to each other. Love will push a little bit higher. I might tell you 1,000 words about how much I love you, how truly amazing you are, and how fortunate I am to have you in my life. But then that would still not be enough. Unblock my heart so I cannot love you. You need to contact me because this is how I will be get the needed helpful cannot put that I want to is just you and wake up beside you and just be there with you and support you without saying anyone those things. A beautiful merely love with you. It took me just a few seconds to be smitten by your Michael claims. As I got to know you, I started feeling deeper and deeper in love every day. I would think that it is not possible to love you anymore, and then the next day I would prove my life self wrong. I want to tell you that you are a special person in my life. The way I feel about you is very difficult. I have never been so much in love before, and it is just me who feels this way. Should you feel the same way about me, I will be feel like I have can write the world. Should you not, I will be still consider myself so lucky to have had the chance to meet someone as wonderful as you. are the dead missing pieces. I had given up on searching for the missing piece of my heart. So tell me how you feel about me because I am diving to now, truly deeply waiting for your answer, my coin. You need my heart, Piru.